Today I want to invite you to an art exercise, and you don't need to be an artist to do that. We'll be just playing with mark making using different tools. So grab your paints, crayons, pencils, charcoal, whatever you have, and we'll be looking what we like and what we don't like in mark making. And at the end we'll change what we created into a personal artist book, which you can refer to later to get some more inspiration. And I will also show you at the end another book I created from an old print. So if you are a printmaker like me, you can use also old prints the same way. So let's start. So I'm starting with using charcoal and just playing with marks, drawing lines. I'm using a watercolor paper. I'm adding some water. I'm really liking this flowing effect. Just playing with marks. And the goal of this exercise is to see what you like and what you don't like in your art, what kind of mark making you like, and to use different contrasting mark making. So I'm using different tools, I'm using different marks, different colors. So right now I'm using this, I think it was burnt sienna, and just seeing what happened. Right now, because I have a lot of transparency, I'm adding more opaque marks, but still in this yellowish brown earthy tone family. I'm not thinking about the composition, I'm just playing with the paint, with my brush, just applying paints. And as I said at the beginning, the goal is not to create a masterpiece, the goal is just to play, have fun, be creative. So later we can see what we like and what we don't like in our mark making. Now I'm adding this vibrant neon orange. I really like this color and it adds this pop of color. And I'm using a different brush to get different marks. And already this color is exciting for me. And it nicely blends with the other colors. So it's constant push and pull. Something is in front of something is behind. So there are not all the marks on the same plane. Now I'm adding something even more opaque in a little bit different shapes. This pinkish violet color. And I really like how it is contrasting with the orange. And it's pushing back those black lines from charcoal. Now I'm scraping into acrylic paint. I really like this Sgraffito effects. I like how the paint beneath is visible. So very often in my paintings I use this technique, just scraping and revealing what is beneath the top layer of the paint. And now I'm adding darker violet to add more contrast. This is an alcohol ink, so it dries really quickly. But I'm trying to smudge it a little bit with water. Moving the paper to get some drips, to get some flow. And of course white a little bit so the paint is more dry, adding a little bit more on top of those pinkish colors. So constant push and pull with the mark. Adding more color. Because I mixed those colors together, they create a cohesive color palette. Removing some of the color. I had a lot of linear marks, so I wanted to add something like, dots. So I'm adding kind of dots with this violet ink. Adding some water to get some flow. And again, just moving the ink on the paper. And getting some drips. And because I had so many like organic lines, curves, I decided to add a few straight lines with a very thin white pen. So I'm also thinking about having diversity of marks on my paper. So contrasts in shapes, in colors, in size. Now I decided I need to have more contrast, so I'm adding some irregular thin lines with India ink. So when I look at this page, it looks like a mess, actually, but when I fold it into the book, it will have different composition and it will be perceived differently. So it's interesting to wait for this element of surprise when I fold it into a an artist book. So that's the piece. Here are some close-ups and details. So you can see those contrast, opacity versus translucency shapes. And now the fold. So we are folding it into half. This was quite a thick paper, so it was not easy. It was like a very stiff paper, so maybe softer paper would be better. But that was what I had. It was a heavy watercolor paper. So I'm bending it into half, both sides. Now another way into half. So now we have to bend it again into halves. So we will get like 8 rectangles. So you got 8 rectangles, and now we need to cut it in the middle, just those 2 sections. Of course, you can use a ruler. I didn't have it with me, so I'm just following the crease line. We are just cutting this edge of those 2 middle parts. And it's time to fold it. So you just hold those 2 middle parts and hold it into book. As I mentioned, it was very thick paper, so it was a bit difficult. Maybe with more soft paper it would be easier, and you will find which 2 sections it's easier to have as a beginning and the end, as the front and the end cover. And then I decided that I want to add something with Posca pen, some dots. I really like dots to add more character to that piece. So more marks. So if you see those separate pages and you think you should add something, of course do that. Just have fun with that. And you already can see that the composition looks differently right now, that the whole perception of this book and those marks is different. I'm just adding marks on each of the page. You don't have to do that if you like already what you are seeing. I just thought it needed it. So again, I'm thinking about the contrast between shapes, between colors, between light and dark. And then I decided to add a little more paint of the camera. My phone died, so I couldn't record it, but I added a little bit more pink and white. So I have more translucent versus opaque marks, and I added white marks here. And that's the book. So you can just keep it and keep it as reference. It could be a jump start for a new painting. And this is another page. It was an old print, and I added those marks with this vibrant orange paint and blue, ultramarine blue, and some other marks, and made a book also from this one. Added a few more marks, and that's the final result. I really like this one. So it was an old collagraph print with some painted marks added. So that's this exercise. I think it's really fun to do. You can use your old paintings or your old prints and just keep it and, make it as a reference for your next work. And it's also very relaxing. So even if you're just stressed, it's a nice thing to do. So that's the book from the print. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you ever tried it, and see you next time.